random unboxing vlog. It's 11 right now and I woke up 10 minutes ago, but then I had to act like I woke up right now for the video. So let's get ready and then I'll tell you what the hell happened to my face. Coming back to what the F happened to my face is that yesterday evening I was climbing my stairs to go to my rooftop to watch a sunset, and I awkwardly placed my foot on the edge of the stairs and I slipped and I banged my face onto the stairs. So now I have 3 stitches inside my lip and 1 right here. I have some bruises right over here and here, and my knee hurts because I have a sprained knee. But that's about it. Abhi to hum zinda hai.
अभी हम जिंदा हैं.
So now the reason why I'm vlogging today is because I'm waiting for a pair of sneakers that I've been waiting for almost a year. It's one of my grails, so I'm just waiting for the sneaker to arrive because I know it's gonna get delivered today. So I just wanted to show you guys and unbox it with you guys, and that's about the vlog. So I'll just get back to you when the sneaker gets delivered.
One eternity later.
So finally we got the box, we got the paper cutter as well. I'm all fresh, I just took a shower right now. But before we start unboxing these pair of sneakers, I want you guys to pause the video and comment down below which pair of sneakers do you think are in this box. And the winner will get, I don't know, maybe 1 necklace. But yeah, now that you're done with that, let's start unboxing these sneakers. I am super excited. Finally, I have my hands on a pair of Air Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found, and I can't tell you guys how happy and excited I am because I can't really smile right now. My upper lip won't move because of the stitches, but yeah, I'm super excited. I am speechless right now. I'm just blabbering stupid stuff. I've been waiting for this pair of sneakers for almost a year now. If you guys don't know, Jordan 1 Chicagos are a pair of grails for me, so being able to get this in my hand is a big achievement. One day for sure we'll get the normal Chicago, the OG Chicagos as well, but right now I'm happy with these. And yeah, I'll just give you a quick overview, review, whatever you want to call it, about this sneaker, and then we'll end this video. So the reason why these are called the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found is because they are made to look like a pair from 1986, and you found these pair at the back of an old sneaker shop after 30 or 40 years. Don't come at me, my math is really weak. So yeah, that's the reason why you see all this aged leather. The white leather is aged, the black leather is cracked. Also you can see the aged outsole. Also this foam tongue is yellow, it's supposed to be white. So that's why it's called the Lost and Found. And also if you see the box, it's not your normal Air Jordan 1 box. As you guys can see, the lid is different than the box. It does not match with the box. As you guys can see, this is the normal Air Jordan 1 box, so it matches with the box, black and black. Right here you get an orange lid with a black box, and you guys can also see the sales sticker right over here. And believe me or not, the Jordan 1 back in the day used to go on sale for like, I don't know, crazy low prices. As you guys can see, you also get a receipt, a fake receipt. This is not an actual receipt, it's a made up receipt you get with all of the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. But it's a pretty cool detail. You also get this newspaper kind of paper which has all the Jordan 1 advertisements from back in the day. And yeah, that's basically it. There are some more differences between these Jordan 1s and a normal pair of Jordan 1s. As you guys can see, the swoosh here is a bit bigger on the Chicagos compared to these. These are the Jordan 1 Arma Maniers, again one of my favorite pairs. Secondly, the wings logo here is a bit different compared to the Arma Manier ones. So this is the newer style here on the Arma Manier ones compared to the Chicagos. This is an older style. Again, like I said, these are made to look like a pair from 1986. And if you guys can see, the midsole, the shape of the midsole here is a bit different than on the Arma Maniers. So if you compare these sneakers to a pair of 1985 Jordan 1s, you can see a lot more similarities in the terms of the shape of the sneaker. Also the toe box is a little different compared to the newer Jordan 1s. But that's about it, where the differences end. Rest all the shoe is the same, the comfort is the same, the traction is the same. It's made to look like an old pair, but it's a new pair. Yeah, I would say that the quality on these are much better than what you expect from Jordan brand. The quality of leather is very nice. It's very thick. This is the way how Jordan 1s are meant to be, and of course they smell really good. And you also get 2 pairs of laces laced in. This is how they used to come back in 1985 and 1986. So yeah, that's basically it. That was my quick unboxing and a review of Jordan 1 Chicago Lost and Found. So if you would like to see more of these random mini vlogs or quick sneaker unboxing and review on my channel, leave a like down below. And it's a bit new for me. I did something new this time. This is not my usual content, but I felt like making it, so I did. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did as well. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That does not make any sense. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you don't miss any single videos from me. I'm going to post a lot more content over here as well. Long format content as well as shorts. So you don't want to miss that. Also, if you aren't following me yet on Instagram, what are you doing? My username is @Anuj Dutta. Go follow me over there to see more fashion content and fashion. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.